work on fixing this watch winder. If you've got a mechanical watch that needs to be wound, that's automatic, you can put it in this machine. It'll spin it round and round. If you're wondering if this Rolex I'm holding is fake, yeah, it's fake. It absolutely is. It still needs wound. When I turn this thing around, you can see everything's shifted. Phillips screwdriver that won't be too big and still get the screw out of it. A flathead will go in on a Phillips. Make sure everything fits and that it grabs securely. The shaft is correct, but the tip is not. Bigger head fits in. There we go, nice and snug. It fits. We still need to go with a bigger head like this one. There we go. We'll see if that, there, I felt it move. When I loosen these two screws up, it feels like there's something else hidden on here. That's pretty cool. Look at those little lights in there. When I pull everything back, I don't see any hidden screws. Almost like they glued this thing together. I may have to cut an access hole from the bottom. Don't want to do that, but I may have to in order to get it fixed. Place some tape so I can get a nice even hole in there. Good size opening to explore inside. Just make that as clean as we can. Some of those burrs. Kids and I call this a potato chip because it's a ceramic disc and it doesn't take much and the thing flies off like a potato chip. Kind of a slow process. This is about the third time. It just keeps throwing all this plastic out everywhere. Like a can opener, it's starting to come out. Got everything off, and I'm actually surprised there's a stepper motor back there. Looking in here, I can see two additional screws that are hidden somewhere from the front. It'd be nice if I could just pull this front piece off the stepper motor, but it just won't come out. Use this 90-degree screwdriver to try to get this screw out. Seems like no matter what, these things are just too hard to handle. Grab on with a pair of pliers and try to spin that. And I can barely start to get it to move. Barely moving is still moving. It's raised up. I'll just keep turning it out. You can see it's moving. Finally have it out. Move the circuit board and see if there's any damage to it. USB charger is bent, so before we even start, we have to straighten that out. Get a port in there and see if the batteries are any good. Plug in this USB port. Sign of life. I'll push a button. Oh, there we go. There's a light. That's a good sign. Push this button. We have some rotation, and it feels like some pretty good torque in there. This watch and this little carrier has like a little compressor, which is nice. This lay conforms to any size. We'll go ahead and drop it in. A little hard to fit. The grooves at the top, so I'll turn it around. Then we'll try putting it in. That fits in nice. I'll get it in again. Everything is lit up and it runs. Pretty fancy.